Hey there, Matan here with another round of DoiT product updates, this time for the month of September. Let's get started. First, we added a new search functionality for customers in the DoiT console. With this feature, you can easily access a wide range of content right from the console. So whether you're looking for a report on BigQuery consumption via a specific attribution, a budget, even an invoice, or a user, the search function has got you covered. So I encourage you to give it a try and let us know what your thoughts are. This month we unveiled Ava, the latest evolution in DoiT's GenAI technology. With this initial release of Ava, you can bypass the traditional help center search and instead ask questions about the DoiT console using natural language. This upgrade significantly enhances the DoiT documentation accessibility and is only just the beginning in how we plan on deploying Ava in our products to help you with your work. Our next update is again aimed at improving discoverability of content in the DoiT console. It's this All tab here under the Analytics dropdown. Here, you'll be able to filter through and see all attributions, alerts, attribution groups, reports, metrics, as well as being able to filter by specific owners. Next up, we have two new Zapier triggers to enhance your integration with the DoiT console. These updates are focused on streamlining your alert response system and budget monitoring practices so that you never have to face any unexpected surprises in your cloud billing. The first trigger is for new alert notifications. This utilizes our alerts feature to monitor various dimensions of your cloud infrastructure. For example, creating Jira tickets automatically when a cost alert is detected, and that makes it much easier for you to assign tasks to your team for further investigation. The second trigger is for when your budget threshold gets surpassed. This is aimed at helping you keep track of your cloud spend against any planned budgets you have set up with us. One customer use case of this is automated logging of budget consumption data directly into your Google spreadsheet or Microsoft Excel if you use that instead. And remember, you can access all of your DoiT Zaps in the DoiT console in the Integrations tab, which is under the Settings gear. So definitely, if you're a Zapier user, give some of these new triggers a try on top of the other triggers and actions that we have available, and let us know what you think. And finally, last but not least, we made some major updates to our RAM plans feature. If you're not aware, RAM plans help you proactively track and manage your spend against what you committed to after signing an EDP or a commit with a cloud provider. We improved the UI to give you a better overview of your RAM plan progress. So first of all, from the main page, you can already see that you get this nice high-level overview of your progress versus what you actually committed to spending. And then when we drill down into a specific RAM plan, you get even more information, including a forecast as to when we expect you to reach that commitment amount and your average monthly spend required to get to that amount. You can also see in this view total spend breakdown, we can see the top 10 items driving your commitment drawdown. Next, RAM plans are based on commit eligible services via attributions. They used to be based on invoices, but now being based on attributions, this gives you a lot more flexibility around customizing your RAM plans and what they track. And as a result, your RAM plan will now be updated on a daily basis instead of just when your cloud invoice was issued. Additionally, each cloud provider treats marketplace purchases differently when it comes to how much of it can count against your commitment. Those cloud-specific considerations are now taken into account automatically for RAM plans. And sometimes your growth projections change from when you initially made the commitment. And so we made it much easier for you to modify the spend growth percentage that is factored into your planned spend. So maybe for a couple months, you anticipate 5% growth, and then you anticipate 3% growth after that month over month. You can easily change that in a couple of keystrokes. Finally, you can now monitor your RAM plan progress from your custom dashboards just by adding the RAM plan widget from the widget library. All right, thanks for watching or listening. We hope you found some of these updates useful, and maybe you plan on utilizing some of the features mentioned here. And with that said, Stay tuned for the next month's updates. Thank you.